Welcome to this NMP flight video tutorial. This video will look at the Access Delegation feature. To access the screen, I go via the Options menu, Shared Configurations, and then a new tab is opened with the shared configurations. And I need to make sure that I've selected the Access Delegation tab. The Access Delegation gives an airline organization the possibility to delegate access to their flights to another AO organization. That will give that other organization visibility on some of the data within the flight list, which is not normally shown to other organizations, such as the note field or the category associated to a flight. To add a delegated access, I just click on the Add button. A new row is added to the table. I go into there and I add an airline. I can add multiple airlines or just one. And when I have added the AOs that I want, I click on the Apply button to commit the change to the database. And once it's committed, some additional information is shown on the screen. If I want to remove some delegated access, I can select the row or rows that I want to remove and then click on the Delete button. It is deleted initially from the screen, but I must sure that I click on the Apply button to commit that change to the database. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.